Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add QI to MetaMask wallet on BENQI. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your MetaMask and you will go ahead and click tokens. And once you're here, you will click more and then you will select import token and go ahead and copy the contract address for the QI token. So this is basically just it. And what you will have to do is you will just have to to paste it, and after pasting it you will just have to click import, and then you will just have to, and then by the way, you will just have to wait for the MetaMask to autofill the token symbol, QI and decimals, and again click import and just wait for it to load basically. And yeah, so yeah, that's basically just it, and you do have to make sure that um, you've selected the right network. So go ahead and search for that network if it is available for you. And yeah, MetaMask will autofill the token symbol and the decimals, and you will just have to click add custom after that. And your QI balance should now appear in the MetaMask whenever you hold it. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.